Tesla stock price prediction. What's in store for Tesla after having massive Q1 record deliveries? Okay guys, so here we are with another Tesla video, and Tesla just delivered some ridiculous Q1 delivery numbers, guys. They absolutely blew the numbers out of the water, beat all of the analyst estimates, and had record deliveries of 184,000 vehicles. So this was amidst one of the fires at one of the factories, a global chip shortage, the Suez Canal issue. So things are looking bigger and brighter for Tesla. But we're going to talk a little bit more about this deliveries report. We're going to pull up the numbers and give you guys my future price analysis. But before I get into this video, guys, I want to remind you to grab your 2 free stocks over at Weebl. So Weebl has been kind enough to extend this offer until April 21st. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and grab your 2 free stocks. All you have to do is open a Weebl account to get your first free stock, and then deposit at least $100 and you will get your second free stock, guys. So you can get free stocks like Google, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, and many others. So be sure to check out this offer in the description below. So let's head back into the massive breaking news. So here we are on CNBC. This article was posted on April 2nd. So it says Tesla reports 180,000 vehicles produced and 184,800 deliveries in the first quarter of 2021. So this is kind of interesting because we saw record deliveries with NIO. We saw record deliveries with Xiaoping. So it was pretty much obvious that obviously Tesla being one of the biggest market leaders, if not the biggest, in China, that Tesla was going to do very well. So let's kind of go through this article a bit, and then we'll actually pull up the vehicle numbers, and then we'll talk more about my future price prediction. So as you can see here, it says Tesla in total delivered 184,800 vehicles, and analysts were expecting around 168,000 deliveries. So this far exceeded analyst projections. And it says that, of course, Tesla's operations were impacted by a fire at its Fremont factory, temporary closures that CEO Elon Musk attributed to part shortages, a broader chip shortage in industry, port capacity issues, and the ongoing pandemic. So during the same period a year ago, with things with the pandemic and stuff like that, Tesla delivered around 88,400 vehicles. So Tesla is more than doubled its deliveries, just in 1 year. Obviously, last quarter, Q1 was pretty tough because of the whole pandemic, and now things are getting a little bit better. But it just seems like, this whole dip buying opportunity in Tesla stock was exactly what it was. The underlying business of Tesla didn't really change. Yes, there are a lot of short-term headwinds, but deliveries is a very, very, very strong number, and deliveries translates to top line growth. It translates to a lot of revenue. So as we can see here, it says the Model 3 and Model Y deliveries amounted for about 86% of those total deliveries. And it also says adding to the Model Y to its menu and production in Shanghai plant, the first plant built outside of California, helped Tesla grow sales by about 36%. So this expansion into China is going to do a lot. And also, remember now Tesla is trying to expand in India as well. And India has over 1 billion people. So we can expect the India expansion to add a ton of deliveries as well. So as you can see here, it says Musk and Kikhorn declined to give specific guidance for 2021 deliveries, but they said, we continue to expect long-term volume compound annual growth for 50%, of which we may materially exceed this in 2021. So, excellent news here, guys. And I think it's now time to bump up this Tesla price prediction. So if we go over to the actual Tesla website, we can see a little bit here, the actual breakdown on their website. So like I said, guys, Tesla's been profitable for over a year now, selling those EV tax credits. And like I said, the cost of producing EVs is going to continue to decline. This is something that Elon Musk and the engineers at Tesla are working on. And we all know that, like with any technology, like for example, when the smart TV came out, it was so expensive, and now like with better, economies of scale and just better production in general, these costs of these televisions are coming down, just like when the first smartphones came out, the costs are coming down. So we're going to see the same thing for EVs, and that's going to really, really help Tesla sell more profitable cars at a cheaper price, because battery technology is going to improve a ton. So now let's head over to my Tesla price prediction. So I kept talking about how a lot of people were slamming EV stocks, and how basically you had the opportunity to get Tesla stock at basically a pretty nice discount, basically a 33 to 40% discount, because nothing really changed in the underlying business. Amidst all of these headwinds, Tesla has continued to just deliver vehicles. So that's what we're looking at. We're looking at production and deliveries signals demand. So, this is really interesting. And I mentioned in one of my videos that if you kind of use TradingView, so here's TradingView, you can actually do this on Weebl as well. So be sure to grab your 2 free stocks, guys, over at Weebl. But if we kind of move back to a more longer term view, so we move back to the monthly chart, and then we change this line graph, we use candles, we can see that, this was pretty much expected. Tesla has these runs, these bullish runs, and then pullback, and then a bullish run, and a pullback, and a bullish run, and another pullback. So this was a really, really predictable pattern, in my opinion, for Tesla. I've seen this happen before. So as you can see here, back in March 2020, Tesla sold off along with most of the stocks, and then they had a multi-month bullish run. So it ran all the way to 500. Now, of course, this is all this is all split adjusted numbers. So, and then it came down for a couple of months, then it had another bullish run. So it ran for 3 months, and then now another pullback. So this is where I'm expecting these delivery numbers to kind of make people relax a bit and realize that nothing's really changed in the underlying business model. EVs are in demand, and it's going to continue to be this way for the rest of the decade. So I expect another bullish run. And like I said, I can't just rely on the past, but Tesla has been pretty predictable with these runs and these pullbacks, these runs and these pullbacks. So the last time there was a bullish run, it bottomed off at a split adjusted price of like about $380, and then it ran all the way to almost 800, and then it was at 900 for a bit, and then it came back down. So, let's say things happen similar to what they've done in the past. People are really interested in Tesla, then they lose interest. And they're really interested in Tesla, then they lose interest. So let's say with these delivery numbers, back when, they're going to start to be really interested in April. So we could see Tesla stock based on the past history where it ran from about 100 to 500, and then from 400 to 800 or 900. We could see Tesla stock probably run to about $1,000 plus, probably by June or July, just based on past history and the fact that the underlying business is still strong. These are some massive numbers, and this just further cements why Tesla is probably one of the best, if not the best, stock that you can hold right now. It really encompasses everything. So, of course, Tesla delivering vehicles. They've got the solar energy business. They're working on autonomous driving. They have robo-taxis. Perhaps they're producing semis. They're going to come out with their Cybertruck. They bought Bitcoin. They have charging stations. So for you guys that heard about Joe Biden's plan to increase the charging stations in the United States to 500,000, Tesla can sell charging stations and distribute them. So really, Tesla is kind of the best one-size-fits-all tech stock, I would think, in the market right now. And it's one of the reasons why I actually sold my Apple stock in my retirement and just went all in on Tesla. So the reason I went all in on Tesla is just everything's lining up for Tesla to become basically the most valuable company in the world. And I really don't want to miss that. I'm not able to access those retirement funds until 59 and a half without a penalty anyway. So that gives me, 20 plus years of growth until I really want to tap those funds. So that's one of the reasons why I chose Tesla for my IRA. So like I said, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just simply telling you what I'm doing personally with my stocks. And Tesla right now is my largest holding, and I hold it, the majority of my Tesla stock, in my retirement account, and then I have a share or two in my growth fund. But I'll probably end up just adding to it because things are just looking good. So what does this all mean long term? Well, I'm going to give you guys my current price target for Tesla based on the past performance. Since on the last 2 bullish runs, it ran about $400 to $500 or so. I'm going to give you guys my price target of about $1,000, and probably is going to exceed that, but because things are going to get a lot better, and with the things reopening and the vaccines and stuff like that, I think Tesla will really start to run. But I think $1,000 is a conservative price target. So if you were looking to get in on Tesla stock, like I said, this is not financial advice, but now is a great time because this sell-off, it changed the shareholder base. So what I mean by that is that it shook up the shareholder base, and now you have a lot of people holding Tesla stock. The only people in Tesla stock right now are in it for the long run, because Tesla stock hasn't really done that well year to date. So if we take a look at Tesla year to date, and we just go back to the line graph, we can see Tesla year to date is down 6%. So there's been a lot of other high-flying stocks. You've had Bitcoin stocks do well, value stocks do well. A lot of REITs and dividend stocks have done well, but Tesla stock has been down the first 3 months. So really the only people in it right now are long-term holders, and the shareholder base is going to change a lot once the market opens on Monday after, the Easter weekend. You're going to have a lot of new shareholders come into the stock, a lot of people that were kind of have to admit that they were wrong about Tesla. So this is a really nice buying opportunity. And I think if you're looking to build a long position, this is a great opportunity. Like I said, I've been in Tesla stock since last March, when, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know how bullish I was on it. And I think it's going to continue to be my largest holding. I really don't see any other company that's better than Tesla right now. So that's it, guys. That's my future price prediction. It looks like we're going to hit a road to $1,000. And I'll be sure to update you guys on what I'm doing personally with my Tesla. But right now, I think it's an excellent, strong buy. So if you enjoyed this channel, guys, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And be sure to check out my daily stock watch newsletter and my private Discord chat. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.